Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product, which name is Glossier Full Orbit Eye Cream. When it comes to skincare, finding the right products that deliver on their promises is key. The Glossier Full Orbit Eye Cream caught my attention with its sleek packaging and promises of hydration, smoothing, brightening, and depuffing. Here's a detailed review of my experience with this product. Packaging: the squeeze tube design of the Glossier Full Orbit Eye Cream is a winner in my book. It eliminates the need for dipping fingers into jars or dealing with excess product from pump dispensers. The screw-off cap reveals a precise tip that allows for easy application, ensuring just the right amount of product is dispensed without any mess. Plus, the hygienic aspect of this packaging is a major bonus, as it minimizes the risk of contamination. One of the standout features of this eye cream is its mid-weight gel cream texture. It strikes a balance between being lightweight enough to absorb easily into the skin and providing enough nourishment for the delicate eye area. A pea-sized amount is sufficient for both eyes, making it economical to use. However, the slight tackiness it leaves on the skin might not be everyone's cup of tea, especially for nighttime use. Despite this, its ability to grip onto concealer makes it an excellent choice for makeup prep. Ingredients: while the ingredients list includes skincare power players like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, polyglutamic acid, microalgae, hawthorn, and jasmine flower extracts, they aren't particularly groundbreaking. These ingredients are known for their hydrating, brightening, and anti-inflammatory properties, which align with the product's claims. However, for those seeking innovative formulations, the Glossier Full Orbit Eye Cream might fall short in this aspect. At $28, this eye cream falls into the mid-range category in terms of pricing. While it's not the most budget-friendly option out there, it's also not exorbitantly priced. However, considering the slightly basic nature of the product and the desire for a larger tube to increase longevity, some users might find the price point a bit steep. Upon initial application, the texture of the Full Orbit Eye Cream impressed me with its light milk-like consistency. It absorbed quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling hydrated and refreshed.